Hello guys, today I'm playing Kiruko test with my only lantern Doubly. Gotta explore. You can hear her heavy breath. Great start, let's go. Whoopee. That wasn't a great start to the kill. Ooh, is she really wild? They'll go get him. We gotta get my Doubly. Run for life. Whoa, that was scary. She's like... She coming for me, right? No way. At least they will be lazy to climb. Never mind. Oh, she ran away. Breathing time. What the flap? How are they coming? Oh, look at girl.
Who are you?
I'm Demogorgon Slays.
Oh, I'm Grace. Nice to meet you.
Horrifying. Wait for me, Grace. She's gone, let's go now.